I will show you how to store fresh blackberries without freezing them for a long period of time. I'll wash them first. Now I need clean and wash jars. I'll fill the jars with blackberries. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Do not fill the jars to the top. I fill the second jar in the same way. I filled the jars and now I need lemon juice. I add a spoonful of lemon juice to each jar. We add lemon juice because botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. The acidity in the jar must be pH 4.6 or lower. I fill the jar with water to cover the blackberries. I'll wipe the top of the jar. And I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan and I put a kitchen towel at the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan down on the stove. I'll cover it. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 Celsius. After pasteurization, I will leave the jars to cool in water. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment. Thank you, friends.